Development of an e-learning for patient education comprises several steps. Here we provide a step-by-step protocol for development of an dyspepsia e-learning. Incorporating steps to ensure future adoption of the tool by patients is essential early in the process.
It is important to assess the views of patients and healthcare providers on current dyspepsia management, and particularly which elements are missing. Conduct focus groups until saturation of information is reached. Recruit participants from patient organisation platforms and the Gastroenterology outpatient clinic and general practitioners through local general practitioner networks. Provide all participants with a patient information form, but do not present the questions of the focus group in the information form. Obtain written informed consent from all participants. During the focus group, ask open questions to initiate discussion. All participants should be encouraged to voice their own opinion. Record the session and transcribe it afterwards. Extract the main themes from the focus group. Based on the main outlines that resulted from assessment of needs, make an overview of the topics that should be supported by literature. Use the online databases to search for recent literature. Select the most relevant articles to use as scientific background in the tool. Find local and national guidelines related to dyspepsia management. Make a selection of recommendations most relevant to the target audience. Summarize existing national patient information on dyspepsia. Use approved